How to change candle color in MEXC application. Hi everybody, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how you can change your candle colors on MEXC application. So let's get started. First of all, launch open MEXC application on your smartphone or tablets and log in. Once you are logged into your MEXC application's homepage, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Once you get to your profile section, scroll down and tap on Settings. Under Settings, tap on Color Preferences and choose a different color option you like to use for your chart. Right after you make a selection, get back to your chart page or the Markets tab, select a currency pair, and you will see your candle color change. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.